What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day could build strength, burn fat, and change your body without a gym, without equipment, and without excuses? This is not motivation, this is science. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever created, yet most people underestimate them. They think push-ups are basic or too simple, but when done daily, even for just 10 minutes, push-ups activate the chest, shoulders, arms, core, and even legs at the same time. 10 minutes of push-ups every day is not about doing hundreds, it is about consistency, control, and intention, and that is where real transformation happens. Why 10 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is short enough to remove excuses and long enough to create change. When you perform push-ups for 10 focused minutes, your muscles stay under constant tension. This stimulates muscle fibers, increases blood flow, and improves endurance. Your heart rate rises, your metabolism activates, and your nervous system adapts. This is why short daily workouts often outperform long, inconsistent ones. What happens to your body? First, your upper body strength improves. Push-ups target the chest, triceps, shoulders, and upper back. Over time, these muscles become stronger and more defined. Second, your core gets activated. Every push-up is a moving plank. Your abs, lower back, and hips must stay tight to maintain proper form. This improves posture, balance, and stability. Third, fat burning increases. Push-ups are a compound movement, which means they burn more calories than isolated exercises. Doing them daily helps improve insulin sensitivity and supports fat loss over time. Mental benefits. Doing push-ups every day builds discipline. When you commit to a small daily challenge, your brain learns consistency. This improves confidence, focus, and self-control. Each completed session sends a signal to your mind that you are someone who finishes what they start. This mindset carries over into other areas of life. How to structure 10 minutes. You don't need to rush. Use time, not reps. For example, work for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, repeat for 10 minutes. You can mix standard push-ups, knee push-ups, incline push-ups, or slow-tempo push-ups. This keeps the workout effective and joint-friendly. Quality matters more than quantity. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people drop their hips, flare their elbows, or rush through reps. Poor form reduces results and increases injury risk. Keep your body straight, engage your core, lower yourself with control, and push up with power. Breathe steadily and stay focused. Who should do this? This routine is perfect for beginners, busy professional, students, and anyone who wants a simple, effective habit. You can do it at home, in your room, or even while traveling. No equipment, no excuses, just 10 minutes. Results you can expect within the first week. You may feel muscle soreness and increased energy within 2 to 3 weeks. Strength and endurance improve within a month. Your upper body looks firmer and posture improves. Consistency beats intensity every time. You don't need motivation, you need a system. 10 minutes every day, one exercise, one decision. Start today. Your future body will thank you.